The rear self-leveling headlight sensor, red arrow, is located on the driver's or left side wheel well. The sensor is connected to the bracket on the subframe that holds the brake line, brake pad wear, and speed sensors. It's attached to a gimbal on the sensor and then to a gimbal to the lower control or coffin arm, green arrow, by a plastic arm, blue arrow. Make sure you give this area good cleaning before you begin, especially if you live in a 4-climate area. Remove the rubber cover over the electrical connection and squeeze in on the 2 tabs, red arrows, and pull the connection straight back and off. While supporting the 10mm nut on the arm, use a 9mm socket and remove the nut on the sensor side, blue arrow. Then slide the arm out from the sensor. Use a 10mm socket and remove the bracket from the subframe. Turn the bracket over and use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws holding the sensor to the bracket, red arrows. Installation is the reverse of removal. After the angle sensor has been replaced, the front end control unit must be calibrated. Afterwards, the headlight setting must be checked and adjusted if necessary. Connect your scan tool. You want to find the front end control unit and carry out the calibrations menu. Then check your headlights and adjust as needed. If you need to replace the arm or bracket on the coffin arm, remove the gimbal arm with a 10mm wrench and a 9mm socket in the same manner as the top connection. The base is connected to the coffin arm by a plastic mount. First, push out the center pin, then squeeze in the tabs with pliers and pry it out of the arm. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.